Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Exploring Bottle Collecting with Jimmy. You see we're out here in the woods. All tall trees, and it's just a nice place. The weeds are fairly tall, as you can see, and there's a bush here. Well, I'm going to show you what happens to an abandoned house when nature's almost reclaimed everything. So let's see if we can get through here. There's my tripod. I've been trying my luck at metal detecting today. No luck so far. But I know there's a house here. You guys see it? Oh, there it is. Look at that. That's the wall. So this is the outside of what was once the house. You see that the stones are all hand carved. Pretty straight, that's a pretty straight looking stone. So let's go through here. You see the stones are laying down. So we're in what once was the basement. That's right. This is the last roughly wall that's still standing. And I think it's because there's a couple trees standing in front of it. But you can see the concrete. You can see the concrete here still holding up. So there was a stone wall here, but it's collapsed. And there was a wall here where you can walk across, and you can see bits and pieces of stones, but they're all covered in moss. Here's the back wall we just kind of walked through. It's just about ready to cave in. And there's still things at the bottom. An old can, slowly corroding away. And there's a few other things. Well, this is an oil filter. So I don't know how old that is or what it is, but so that's the so you can see the trees have taken over. There's even trees growing in here. As you can see, they're growing in. All kinds of little trees. So this is what happens. The end result. The wood's gone. And nature has taken over the rest. And probably in a few years, you won't be able to tell there was even a house here. Maybe another 20 years. This wall by that time will have caved in and there'll be nothing left. Nature has reclaimed it all. There's even an animal living up here. There's stones here. It's like a groundhog hole. I don't think it's been used this year, but you never know. So that's what I thought I'd show you. The end results. Nature has won. So, on that note, and not much else to see. Oh, maybe there's one more thing, I think. Like, this was a farm. There was one piece out here. And right here is some fencing. That's about it. And oh crap, what's that fencing? Barbed wire. So that's pretty much it. Everything else is buried. I'm quite sure there's a lot of stuff here still, but it's buried. And I'm having a hard time metal detecting here because there's so much iron in the ground. So it's probably rusted out, whatever, and I'm picking it up with the metal detector. So anyways, folks, I thought I'd show you this. And so please like, subscribe, and we'll be talking to you again. Bye for now.